Prince Harry faces swift deportation from the US under a Republican president. Nile Gardiner, who is leading the legal challenge to have Harry's visa application made public, says a Republican leader would strictly enforce US immigration laws. Welcome to Royal Expert. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any news about the British royal family. The director of the think tank that is battling to have Prince Harry's visa application made public says the royal could be deported back to the UK if a Republican replaces Joe Biden in the White House. The Duke of Sussex, who moved to California in 2020 alongside his wife Meghan Markle, admitted in his spare autobiography to using drugs including cocaine, cannabis and magic mushrooms. This prompted questions over whether he had disclosed his past drug taking to the US immigration authorities. In many cases, this can itself be grounds for a visa application to be rejected. And if Harry did not disclose his recreational substance use, then he could be deported for lying on his application. Sponsored link by Taboola. What we know about Peter Murrell's Portugal bolt hole. The Heritage Foundation is locked in a legal battle with the Department for Homeland Security to have the records released, with director Nile Gardiner predicting the crunch will come after next year's presidential elections. This prompted questions over whether he had disclosed his past drug taking to the US immigration authorities. In many cases, this can itself be grounds for a visa application to be rejected. And if Harry did not disclose his recreational substance use, then he could be deported for lying on his application. The Heritage Foundation is locked in a legal battle with the Department for Homeland Security to have the records released, with director Nile Gardiner predicting the crunch will come after next year's presidential elections. Mr. Gardiner told GB News, "I think firstly with regard to the Biden administration, they will do all they can to try and stop the release of Harry's records. Ultimately it will be decided by a federal judge, but if those records are released and if it is found that Prince Harry has lied on his application, there will be tremendous public pressure for Harry to be deported from the United States." Now, if you have a Republican president in place, you can be sure that a Republican leader would strictly enforce US immigration laws. And if Harry has broken those laws by lying on his application, I'm in no doubt that a Republican president would swiftly remove him from the United States. According to the Daily Telegraph, sources close to the prince have indicated that he was truthful on his visa application, suggesting that he disclosed his drug use. People who immigrate to the US are normally given a 3-year visa, meaning Harry may need to apply for a new visa, or a green card, or citizenship, this year. This could lead to further scrutiny of the Duke of Sussex's drug use. Anybody applying for a visa from the US Citizenship and Immigration Services is specifically asked about current and past drug use, and whether the applicant is a habitual drunkard. Official policies say that visa applicants who are found to be drug users or addicts are inadmissible, although in practice immigration officers are given considerable leeway to make a decision based on factors including the length and severity of drug use. Stacey Cozart-Martin, an immigration lawyer, told the BBC that Prince Harry's celebrity status could have worked in his favour. "A lot of immigration is discretionary," she said. "They probably will also get a little bit more leeway than the average Joe." Thanks for watching till the end.